Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Facebook account without your email or phone number. The first thing you need to do is go to your friend's Facebook, okay? Then search the account you want to log to. Okay, for instance, I want to log into this account. Then click on the three dots here. Then click on copy profile link and go back. Log out of your friend's account. Okay. Paste the link that you copied here. Paste the link here. Then leave only the username. This one. Okay. Then enter your password. And log in. It will log you into your Facebook account. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.